If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To run a query and view its result set when in the Query Design view in Access, click the Run button in the Results button group on the Design tab of the Query Tools contextual tab of the ribbon. If the results aren't what you expect, you may need to redesign the query. To return to the Query Design view from the displayed result set, click the View button in the Views button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. If you click the drop-down arrow at the bottom of this button instead, then select the Design View command from the drop-down menu that appears to also return to the Design view. Alternatively, to view the result set of a saved query in Access, select its name from the list of queries shown in the navigation pane. Then press the Enter key on your keyboard. Alternatively, double-click the name of the query to run in the list of queries in the navigation pane. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.